sales picked back up on eBay, so I've got those to show you. I've got my Michael Jordan card back from getting graded, so I'll show you that. We'll unbox it together. And also I picked up a few things at the thrift store, so we're going to do all that. Stay tuned on your computer. I sold this Stack and Tilt Golf Swing Instructional DVD set. This I got for $1 at the Goodwill, and it was an awesome find because this sold for $45 plus shipping. Yeah, I remember when I found this, I looked it up and it was easily going for $45. So they gave me full offer on that, and glad to see it go. Sold another lens. These are for a 71 Chevelle parking light lenses. I got an offer on these. I took an offer of $42.50 plus shipping, which is good. I had them listed at $48, so I took that. Sold this Sony VCR. I got an offer of $50 for that, and I paid $5 for it at the Goodwill bins. And it's got the remote with it. Got something in the mail today. It's pretty exciting. Gonna unbox this. It, I believe, is my Michael Jordan card back from being graded by PSA. This is the card that I picked up at a yard sale. I paid $5 for it, and it has the potential to be worth quite a bit. Here's my estimates based on comps that I've seen sold on eBay. If this ends up being a 10 or a 9.5 out of 10, it's worth $800 or more. If it's a 9, it's probably worth about $500 to $600. So you drop like $200 or $300 almost to a 9, but it's still really good. If it's less than 9, it drops another 100 or 2 down to 400, 500 range. Here we go. I don't quite know how this box opens. We'll maybe just try here first and start peeling this back. It's a pretty secure box. I would imagine they take pretty close care of things with it. Okay. Getting there. Okay. Man, this is some pretty serious packing, actually. I see. Okay. There we go. Alright. I've never graded a card before. Okay. Let's see. So there's a packing slip. I'm not going to read that in case it spoils it for me. And this is my submission form, I guess. Yeah, I'll just save that over here too. Okay, cards in here. Bunch of packing tape. What else did they throw in here? Oh, some more, I don't know, advertisement. Okay, I'm going to try and just yank it out of here. There we go. We got a 9. Alright. I mean, it's not a 9.5 or 10, but a 9. So that's awesome. I mean, that means to me that it's probably between $500 and $600. Yeah, I'm not going to complain about that at all. And it looks real nice in this case, too. You can see the back. And they give you the QR code here and some kind of unique ID. That's awesome. Okay, I mean, I don't know what else to say about that. Let's see if there's anything else in here just for fun. Some packing material for me. That's a really nice sturdy box though, too. So now let's talk. So now that I have this and it's graded, it's ready to sell, I'm looking for advice. You know, I was considering, they have these verified sales that you can do, that I see some of these doing, where I guess you create the listing, but then you select an option to make it eBay verified, and then you actually ship the item over to eBay. and they verify that it's authentic somehow, and then when it's purchased, they ship it out. How would you approach this? Let me know, because I don't want to sell this one the wrong way. It's definitely worth the investment of time to do it right. So, awesome. I'm pretty happy. This is a pretty good $5 find. Stopped at a Goodwill retail store today and just got a few things, nothing big. Picked up this Cobra golf head cover. It's kind of this cube shape. I think it's called Cube Design or something. Color Cube. I paid $4 for it, and it goes between like $9 and $17. Picked up this Bose wall ceiling bracket for $4. It's new in the package. And I looked this up, and it goes for, this exact one went for $19. Halloween's coming, so I bought these fake cigars. I paid $1, and it looks like these sell for as much as like $8.